Hi everyone! Today we are going to see how we can turn this guy into a movie star. But first, let's refresh our memory with a few animation basics. As you know, the illusion of movement in movies is given by putting pictures into a sequence. You need 24 pictures to make one realistic second of video. However, when you start to shoot stop-motion animation, I suggest you to take 10 pictures to make 1 second of your movie. With experience, you'll get to 24 or 25 pictures. At first, you'll have to show you're brave enough to face your two worst enemies: impatience and frustration. How do you create a movie? First, you need to have an idea of what your character is going to do. Is he going to walk, fight, sleep? Then, you have to find or make a set where you're going to shoot your movie. Now let's see a few basics. If you want to make your character walk while you're shooting in 24 pictures per second, you'll need about 9 pictures to make one step. Here's an example. As you can see, the entire body is moving. To make your animation more realistic, don't forget to move the arms. For every movement you will make, you'll need to have an idea of how many pictures will be required, and that means a lot of tests. The last basic is easing. When you move, you're not always moving the same speed. Therefore, if your character wants to raise his arm in a realistic way, you will have to take more pictures at the beginning of the movement and progressively reduce this frequency of shooting. This way, you will see an acceleration that makes a natural movement. Finally, let's see 2 last tricks you can use in stop motion. You probably know incrustation with a blue or a green background. It is useful if you don't have a cool set, if you want to duplicate characters or make them do sophisticated moves. If you want to create a camera movement, your reflex could be to actually move your camera. But there's another way to do it that's easier. You simply need to move your set instead. And now, you know how you can turn your favorite toys into real actors.